good.
You're a DNR?
No,
Even at all?
yeah.
Wow, there's some bitterness there.
I'm just playing. Just play.
Penis to mouth.
That's creepy. Man, I really want to jump in there.
I know, right?
Dude, this would be some amazing snorkeling right now.
Well, I don't think you can see. That's a deep snorkel.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Wow, that is so deep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh wow, we're going real deep now.
Oh, it's so,
Oh, that is
so deep.
lovely.
Woo! Just look straight down, guys. You'll be okay.
But it's moving.
It's okay.
That taco's gonna come back up.
It's so beautiful. Wow.
That is neat stuff, bro.
Man, that's neat.
Well, there's a Titanic. What?
50 foot.
Oh, wow.
These reefs are
Yeah.
awesome. Yeah.
Oh my, it's so
This coral is
pretty.
amazing. Oh, we're going deep again. Yeah.
Oh, it's so deep.
This would be awesome diving. Oh, there's
Wow.
That's so big.
Mm-hmm. Oh, there's a schoolfish.
Fish. Wow.
Oh, wow.
So pretty.
Can't see bottom.
Yeah, you can.
No, you can't. I don't see bottom. Oh, yeah, okay.
I think that white's the bottom, dude.
Okay.
I think the deeper it gets, the darker it is.
Can't see anything anymore.
Oh, that's so deep.
That's
Yeah.
it's creepy when you can't see the bottom. Oh, there's the bottom.
No, not much. What?
Nah, so she can
Oh,
swim.
look how big that is.
Where?
This is back there.
I can't see anything
Oh,
though.
my God. It's rocking on the boat.
Huh?
I don't like the rocking on the boat.
Oh, there's some more
Oh,
stuff.
it's so pretty. It's the water.
You might have to stay. You might have to stay.
Can we jump in?
Those are all the kids, right? Uh-oh. Taking diving lessons?
Oh, wow. Hey, look at the fishy. That's crazy how it just comes up.
Yeah, I know.
Wow, look at that.
Oh, so beautiful.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's so weird looking, dude.
Yeah, it is. It's awesome. Oh. Right close to it.
Oh, wow. And then now it becomes deep. That's cool.
There's neat. I love that. That is so cool.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a sea cucumber.
Shark?
Some big
Sea
fish.
cucumber.
Shark? What
There's
is
no
that?
shark.
Oh, look at that. What's that? There, the big...
Sea
oh,
cucumber.
Shark?
Cucumber.
Sea cucumber.
No shark?
No sharks.
Oh, yeah, my shark.
No.
I haven't seen this one, the blue. Ayoko yung Rocky. This is so cute.
Wow.
So deep.
Yes.
Yeah.
You want it deep?
Yes, yes, I do.
You're so happy.
Is that what she said? Giggity, 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 giggity.
Some big tuna down there.
What? You saw tuna? I'm
Yeah.
hungry now.
You're hungry. You're seeing
And you're making me hungry.
Swimming pool.
I'll throw you.
There's a bigger swimming pool right here. Look out. This one right
Here.
here. This is-
I look at the fish.